So much for visiting my LegalShield business page. I hope that you will find something of value here. There's plenty to see. There's plenty of things to like a lot about LegalShield. In a nutshell, LegalShield is to attorneys' fees what your major medical is to your doctors and hospital fees. You become a member, you can access legal care any time of the day or night, anywhere in North America. It's one of the most robust, comprehensive services you could ever find. For a minimal amount of money, you have an experienced attorney. In fact, you have an experienced attorney firm on your side. It's important because it's helped me in numerous times. And one of the most recent times was I was in the Pennsylvania Turnpike coming back from Pittsburgh to Maryland, and I was speeding. Frankly, I was going 81 in a 55-mile-an-hour zone. So as soon as I saw the policeman, I pulled over and I waited for him to come over. He gave me a ticket. It was for $205.50. He was very nice about it. I didn't cause him any trouble. I didn't have to flash anything. I just gave my license and registration. Well, since I was speeding, I paid the fine because, it was right. But I didn't want the insurance costs to go up because when you're speeding that fast, it could be considered reckless driving, and it could cost you literally thousands of dollars on your insurance fees and the insurance bill. Well, I submitted the ticket to LegalShield, and there was a court date about 3 months later. And I was telling my wife about it, that it was on March 25th, and I had forgotten all about it. But I had already talked to the attorney. He said, well, I'll take care of it. You don't have to come if you don't want to. Well, that was a good thing because I had forgotten about it. Well, it turns out that the attorney went there into the court, negotiated with the policeman and the judge, got that ticket reduced to a non-moving violation, and there were no points assessed. In fact, they even refunded part of my fine. So again, I paid the fine because I was speeding. I was owning up to it. But that saved me thousands and thousands of dollars in insurance fees. Now, let's face it, they're not going to fix tickets. That's not what they're in the business for. But because I had legal representation on my side, I was able now to have someone advocate on my behalf, which is very, very important. Another incident, which may not seem like a lot to you, but I live in an area where there's a homeowners association, and we pay fees. We pay dues to belong to this association. Well, it always seemed that they came around with their inspections about a day or two before the time I was cutting my grass. I cut my grass every 2 weeks. But they would always come around and they would find something wrong. Next thing I know, I get a letter in the mail from them saying that your property is not in accordance with the regulations. You have 30 days from the date of this letter to rectify the situation, or you will be assessed a fine of $250. Well, I saw it and I said, this is not going to be right because I think their practices are not ethical. So I contacted LegalShield. I sent them the letter. They called me after they received it, and they said, well, we got the letter. And he said 30 days from the date of this letter. And I said, that is correct. Well, he said, Mr. Short, I just want you to realize that the letter was not even dated, but we'll take care of it from there. So they screwed up because they didn't date the letter. So there was no penalty involved, no time frame. But they wrote a letter to the homeowners association. And what happened after that was that the homeowners association had to begin publishing inspection schedules, all because I got my attorney involved. And that homeowners association received a letter from the offices of, rather than me calling in to complain. So LegalShield can do this for you. It protects everybody in your family up to the age of 26. It's very, very powerful. Get your will done for free. Last will and testament, which could save you $1,000. So anytime that you need an attorney, LegalShield can help you. Now, let's also understand, it's not going to be everything's going to be free. If you accidentally rob a bank or you want to drive like Homer Simpson on NASCAR, no, that's not going to be free. But you don't have to go searching for an attorney because you already have one on retainer as part of your membership. And you get 25% off their normal hourly rates. So this is one of the best possible arrangements you could ever have for legal emergencies. Now, there's another area which they really do well in, and that's in the area of identity theft. The number one consumer crime reported to the FTC for the last 16 years in a row. And it's not a question of if, but when, because all your information is out there. It's just waiting for thieves to find it and do something with it. Now, when I talk to people, they say, oh, I don't need identity theft because I don't have any money. I don't have any good credit, so it doesn't matter. Listen, if they get a hold of your credit, they can create money. They can literally print it because they can create a whole new persona, put you on somebody's payroll, file taxes, pay no taxes, and then who are they going to come after? You, because of your Social Security number. You see? So you're looking at a double whammy here with legal uncertainty and the number one crime literally in the world, which is identity theft. So you can protect yourself. Now, I want you to listen to this. Instead of paying $200-$300 an hour for all of these services, you can have yourself protected as an individual for $27.90 or a family for $39.90. I don't know about you, but I think that's a wonderful deal. So we have this available through the membership here. Once you sign up, everything begins immediately. All the benefits start instantly. You can call an attorney about whatever's on your mind an unlimited number of times. We have a mobile app. I want you to go to your app store or wherever you get your apps, and then I want you to download My Legal Shield. Just download it. Put it on your phone. It's for free. And if you want to activate it, I'll tell you how to do it. So you can just call me or just reach me through my business page. So this is what we offer here through LegalShield. We offer an outstanding business opportunity for those who are looking to make extra money or even first money. If you're out of work, you need some extra money for various things, LegalShield can do this for you because we get paid every day. So here in the United States, I have a thriving business. I'm recruiting people to do the same thing I'm doing. It's not selling. It's literally revealing what LegalShield does. So when it reveals itself and it tells everything one needs to know, there's no selling involved. So if you're interested here in the United States, by all means, contact me. But if you're in Canada, I have an outstanding business partner up there. His name is Patrice Samuel Robinson. And I'm going to look away just for a second because I want to get his phone number and I want to make sure I get it right because I want you to contact him. His number is area code 519-872-6875. That's 519-872-6875. His name is Patrice Samuel Robinson. He's a good friend of mine. I vouch for him personally. I want you to call him. If you're in the United States, call me. So this is what we offer here through LegalShield. There may be a lot of things about LegalShield you didn't know or didn't realize how powerful it was. But then, you know what? Knowledge is power. And this knowledge can actually save you a fortune. Have a blessed day. And again, thank you for visiting my page. And if there's anything I can do for you, let me know. Take care. Bye-bye.